Hey everyone, Matt King with Team Piers Team, out here with another update on our project in Gardner, Kansas. We are finishing up the excavation to relieve the outside pressure on this foundation wall. Again, just to go over what this project is, this wall is leaning inward, so we are going to straighten it back to vertical. We're going to install 3 King Pier 2s underneath the footing. So inside this trench, there will be 3 holes that are further dug under the footing, 13 inches below, about 2 feet, 2.5 feet inward directly underneath it. That's where our load-bearing steel plate and our King Piers are going to go. So we're going to get the footing raised back up to its correct level elevation. On the inside, we're going to use a combination of 6x6 treated with support posts and 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks to straighten the wall to vertical. So we're going to raise it to level, straighten it to vertical. We're going to install 4 steel H-beam wall braces to keep the wall vertical. And then, of course, we're going to seal all of the accessible, visible cracks in the foundation wall. So, four scope process, 4 scope project here, and that's kind of the process that we're working through on this. Step 1 for these types of projects is always the excavation of the outside of the wall that we're going to tilt back to vertical. We got to relieve that pressure because it's easier to push against air than it is against earth. Just simple physics there. And then on the inside, we'll set up our angle iron, 90-degree angle iron, our 6x6s and bottle jacks. That's what we'll use to straighten the wall to vertical. That interior setup will remain until we get the piering and the wall braces started. And then obviously the crack repair done before the bracing is put in. We want to make sure any kind of cracks in the foundation wall behind the braces are thoroughly sealed before the brace work is finalized. But yeah, right now we should be finished up with everything to the footing by this afternoon. Monday we will be back and start the excavation of the 3 King Pier 2 holes, so that should go fairly quickly as well. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll be out here again next week. Should be about the middle of the week before we start getting our interior set up in place. And again, for all those video updates, you can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited either before, you can find them at, just search for King Piers LLC. Leave a like on our Facebook page, subscribe on YouTube. There's so many videos showcasing our engineering sound foundation repair work, nation's best. It's a really good tool, if anything else, to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair, the proper methods on doing this. Because what sets our work apart is we will try to videotape the entire process, not just the start and the end. We want to detail all of the processes that we go through to repair these foundations. So leave a like and subscribe on those pages. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.